September 30th, 1968, first giant 747 is presented to the world. This is a milestone in Boeing history.
Boeing rolled out its first 747 at its Everett, Washington plant in 1968. The jumbo jet, as it became known, quickly revolutionized air travel for the world. But last week we learned its days are numbered.
The end of Boeing's 747 program took place in early 2023, with the very last jumbo jet going to Atlas Air in the form of a 747-8F.
Boeing ending production of its iconic 747 jumbo jet after a 54-year run.
Qantas 74 for the last time, you're clear for takeoff.